VERU stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Veru Incorporated, it's sitting at 64 cents. It is a 0.25% up as of right now. And actually, this 30-minute chart does not look bad. Here it is. Let me just come here. Okay, there we go. What I was very intrigued by yesterday's performance was that we finally saw the first break. The 4-hour chart still just matters like as first break. I'm yet to see a second pull down and a break above that, you know. But yeah, I'm patiently waiting. All I'm sticking to is my strategy that I've tested for 39,000 videos. And generally speaking, without the price actually giving me the rules, what I'm not going to do is randomly get involved, you know. So that's exactly how VERU is looking like. Let me know what is your opinion on it. And I will continue to keep you updated. As of right now, I mean, I do think that I have some previous receipts here in the Discord, but randomly trying to force movements is not going to be the way for me, at least. See you in the next one. Very open-minded to the bullish side, though.